So in this video, we are going to make some observations and with the intent to try to answer why cold packs get so cold. What causes them to absorb that much heat that quickly? So here we have two white powder substances. One of them is barium hydroxide, and the other one is ammonium chloride. The other things that I want to bring your attention to before I start the video is that right here we have what's just called a looking glass. It's it's sort of like a glass bowl. And this scientist has put some water in the looking glass, and that'll be important in a moment. This right here with the blue handle is essentially a thermometer. It helps to detect temperature changes from whatever is touching the end right here, the probe. It's hooked up to a monitor, and you'll see it later, and it'll show us what the temperature is. So she's going to place one of the beakers onto the looking glass, and you can see the water sort of moving around there. And she's going to mix the two powders together. Now this creates a pretty cool reaction, and we'll talk about what it's called in a minute. You'll see there, though, that it's 16 degrees Celsius before she adds the powders together. Right away, as she begins to stir it, you can see that it starts to sort of clump together. Almost kind of looks like snow. She's trying to sort of break up some of the chunks, but it's going to pan in a second over to the reading again, and all of a sudden now it's down to -8, 9, 10 degrees Celsius. So it's gone from 16 degrees Celsius to -10. You can see now that the two powders that were in there have now started to create almost a paste. And now our temperature is about -22, -23 degrees Celsius. As she stirs a bit more vigorously to try to make the reaction go a little bit faster, you can see that she gets the temperature even lower. And we used to have water, liquid water there. So where did that go? And you can see here it's down all the way to about -28 degrees Celsius. So here's just a graph of just showing you how much the temperature has dropped from being up here above 0 degrees Celsius and then dropping below.